Now coming to Condition Studio. So use the Condition Studio to create, manage and reuse the condition. Condition include more than one rule, some built-in rule, and you can put them multiple rule as well. And condition can be single and it can be from library. You can use from library built-in one, and you can create your own as well, and you can save the condition to use them later on in library. So the Condition Studio is divided in two main parts, keep in mind: the library and the editor. Let me show you. So if I go to authentication and click here, so Condition Studio is open. Don't worry, first time it look like very awkward, but here is editor and this side is library. Library is nothing like a books library where you keep a lot of books to reuse them anytime you want. So these are the library which they have built in a lot of things. When you click here, so it's giving you information. If you want to delete, you can delete. You see, and you can drag them anytime to use them. So it's a built-in item, you can say, when you can use them anytime. You can search as well. Suppose you say I need wire related, so wire.1x, wire map, wireless and wireless map. So you can search them as well in library, and you can click here as well. This is address related, this is certificate related, this is frame related, this is identity group related, these are network devices, this is this related to filter them. These are related to this one is protocol related, this one is server related, this is one is session related, this one is subject related, this one is time related, this one is unspecified, and this one is Wi-Fi related. And you can unclick to show you all together. So these are, when you mouse over it will show you network devices related, so it will show you those. Click, so it will show you all. So these are, like, suppose if I want to save this wire so that I can use them next time, so you can click on save button and give them any name. Suppose my condition, I give them this name and save. So it should be my condition. Let me type them. Yeah, my condition, and drag them to use them. Look at now. So library is nothing but you can use the thing which built in there, and you can save your own to reuse them again and again. So this side is library and here is editor. Let me open a new editor so that you can see. So because this is the rule, let me create a new rule here and click this plus to open Condition Studio. So Condition Studio library, I told you there are some built-in item which you can use them anytime. Okay, and this is the library and this is the editor. Okay, and when you click here, there is attribute to show you a lot of attribute. This one, click, look at now. These are all dictionary. If you need suppose Aruba related, it will show you Aruba related. If you need Cisco related, it will show you those attribute. If you need HP related, and if you all dictionary, so it's all dictionary. You can type as well. Suppose you say wire something, so wire is not there, so let's suppose wireless LAN. Suppose if I want to check, so there is wireless LAN related. You can search here and click this to clear them and either delete them directly. You can search by ID and you can check the detail about this one. When you click on this I, so it will show you the detail about this one a little bit. And this the wireless related, you know, the icon is showing you. This one is related to also, like here is mentioned here, you see unclassified. So unclassified is mentioned by this icon, and you can click here as well to show me addresses related. So these are addresses related, and you can check certificate related. This is frame related thing. This one is location related. This one is network access related, attribute and dictionary. This one is password related, and conditions, whatever condition you want to put. And this one is this one related, and uncheck, it will show you all. Either you can choose all dictionary from here. So it's the same thing which is here, and this icon is showing you like a wireless related. Like I want to port my Active Directory group. So Active Directory, you can go from Active Directory here. Where is Active Directory? And suppose radius related and network access. Suppose if you say network access and you say network access protocol. Now there is equal, not equal, greater than, less than, greater or equal, or less or equal, and these are the protocol. So you say if the network protocol is radius, this might use them. So now it will check this condition that the packet which is coming, is it equal to radius protocol? So it will hit this policy. So these are the condition. If you want another condition as well to be true, so you can click this new. And suppose you need to click another attribute. This time you say if it is a .1x, okay? So if I check .1x, search here. Okay, not, I don't want to check oh, I need to check wire. Okay, so I need to check by network access. So what I can do, I can go to radius and let me check frame. Either you can check frame, whatever, there are many options. And frame protocol is equal to, suppose, no, let me put something else, the condition, not radius. So let me clear the radius and let me go to my Active Directory. You can use certificate as well. So my Active Directory is not showing me. Okay, let me go down and all dictionary is there. I'm just looking for any condition so that I can show you. There are a lot of, so let me go to, suppose, network access. Okay, this is authentication. That's why I need to check authentication related, because this will check an authorization, it will be different thing. Okay, so that's why I cannot see. So authentication, suppose network access equal to device IP address. Suppose you say that if the device IP is 111, but that's the main thing I want to show you. And R operators means, R means any of these true. If the device IP is 111, so this condition is true. And if the protocol is radius, the condition is true. But if you put and means until and unless both are not true, this policy will be not hit and use. Now you get there is R. If I click and I say and, it means both has to be true. And you can create R inside and as well. There is R inside, you know, inside another rule inside this one, and you create another R inside if you want. Let me close them and let me open again. So this is Condition Studio. This side a library which you click on this save. To save this block, you know, it's written is save block as a library condition, and you can use them later on. And here you can put your conditions, and new means to create new, and means to create a and inside, and R means to create R inside. And here is you, when you click here, sorry, you can put the attributes. Click add an attributes, and attribute, it will open a new window, a lot of attribute which you can put your conditions for authentication or authorization. And say while it will duplicate to duplicate this one, it will duplicate the same thing. And close to close this one, not to use, and use means to use this one, but it's require value. So I will say close and click OK. So it will not save the detail. So this is Condition Studio. First it will look like difficult, but later on you will be used to with this one. So here you can search, I told you, and here you can type new to create a new one. Like here I say local external AD, and second is my employees and domain computer. I put R. This is what I was showing you, but it was not showing me, so that's why. And this Condition Studio, you can save them to use them later on. give them any name, and later on you can drag them to use them. You don't need to create, suppose you create and 5 things, save them and you can reuse them anytime if you want. So there is R, and inside R you can use them. So this was Condition Studio, and this Condition Studio is similar. This was authentication. If you go to authorization, so here is Active Directory, which I was to show you. So here is also, if you click here, so again many condition. One of them is Active Directory, my Active Directory. So I say if the group is contractor, keep in mind this R. If the domain computer is domain computer equal to employee or equal to contractor, so this condition will be fulfilled. But if I say and, it means all these 3 has to be true. Close, I don't want to apply because it's the wrong condition. So you can do here. So this Condition Studio, the condition will be changed here, because I was searching this Active Directory there. I thought this is authorization policy, but it was not there, because there you will see the condition related to authentication, and here you will see, maybe in both you will see similar thing, but just telling you. So here you can see a lot of things. Again, you can filter them by certificate, by device, by whatever, radius, session, so many things you can use them. And let me close this one. So this was a Condition Studio.